we're going to be doing a project with Decoupage Varnish and Glue ceramic from Pentart. This can be used on any ceramic kind of material like a mug or plates, and it could also be used on glass. We're going to be doing this mug today. I got these both at a thrift store for only 99 cents yesterday. They would make really fun gifts or projects with friends to make at a party. Kids can do it with adults. You don't need a lot of products to do this project. First thing you need is rubbing alcohol, and after you clean your mug with soap and water, you're going to use this as a degreaser. I'm just going to spray it on and wipe it off, and that will take any grease or fingerprints off so it's ready to go. Now I'm creating this for Christmas in July, and I have these Calembour rice papers that I thought I would take out some of these cute images here. And then there's also these snowmen. I couldn't decide between which. This is AB Studios, but I think I'm gonna go with this Calembour. I'm going to use a water pen to just go around and take out these images, and I'll be back and show you how to apply it to a mug. So I have my little pieces all cut out here, and I'm ready to decoupage. I have a clean, dry brush, and I'm just going to paint it on to the mug, and then put my image where I want it. I'm going to leave some room at the top. I don't want it too close to the top of the mug, and then just apply more of the medium on top of the image. And that's it. The next one is going to go right here. Okay, so I'm going to place this one right here, right next to the other one. And just add more medium on top. And the last one right here. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to let this dry, and then I'm going to come back and add another coat of the decoupage glue on top. Okay, the first coat completely dried. I'm going to add another coat, and then I'm going to put it in the oven after it dries. So I'm going to wait. It's nighttime now. I'm going to just wait until tomorrow morning, but you can wait about 5 hours or so, and then put it in the oven in the middle rack at 285 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 Celsius for only about 5 minutes, and then it's ready to use. Okay, so that is the second coat, and we'll wait until tomorrow and put it in the oven. Okay, the oven is set for 285 degrees. The mug is in there. I'm going to leave it in for 5 minutes. Take it out and let it cool overnight. Okay, it's been out of the oven for 24 hours, so it is ready to use. The only thing I'd suggest is not putting it in the dishwasher. Just clean it with warm soapy water in your sink, and it should last for years. If you have any questions, just let me know.